Hi everyone. Today we're talking about the health benefits of a vegan diet. A vegan diet is a plant-based diet that excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. Adopting a vegan diet has become more popular in recent years for a number of reasons, but one of the biggest draws is the potential health benefits. Studies have shown that a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs and may reduce the risk of certain health problems, such as heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. Vegans tend to have lower levels of LDL cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and a lower risk of heart disease, likely because they consume fewer animal products and more whole, unprocessed foods. In addition to these health benefits, a vegan diet is also associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, such as breast, prostate, and colon cancer. This may be because vegans consume more fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which are compounds found in plant-based foods that have been shown to protect against cancer. It's important to note that a vegan diet can also be unhealthy if it's not properly planned. Vegans need to be mindful of getting enough vitamins and minerals that are typically found in animal products, such as vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. However, these nutrients can easily be obtained from fortified foods or supplements. In conclusion, a well-planned vegan diet can provide many health benefits and may reduce the risk of certain health problems. However, it's important to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs in order to enjoy optimal health on a vegan diet. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.